Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I will be showing you guys how to build or code your first program using Visual Studio Code. So yeah, I know this isn't my Discord bot tutorials, but I just wanted to show you guys how to code in JavaScript. I'm used to saying discord.js, but yeah. Alright, so essentially let's get right into this. So take the first link in the description and it will take you to node.js. Now this is where you're going to download Node.js, which is essentially going to help you edit your code. Yeah. I downloaded the current with the latest features, but yes, just download that and then take the second link in the description and it will take you to the Visual Studio Code download. Click download for Windows. I've already downloaded both of these, so I'm not going to click them, but so yeah, so once you have these two downloaded, open up first of all, you want to open up your Visual Studio Code, and you're also going to want to open up your files. Just create a new folder. I'm just going to call this new folder test.js program. Okay, so now once you have this, you can exit out of the window. Head over here to the top left corner, click File, and then click Open Folder. Now you're going to want to find your folder, click on it, and then click Select Folder. That in the background was just my JS bot. Okay, but now we're going to open up a file in our folder, and we're just going to call it test.js. And boom. So now we have this area where we can write our code. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is create a new variable. Variables are essentially like these things that can hold values in them, but they can also be changed. We're not going to do much of that today. We're just going to be doing a simple code. So var for variable. And then as you can see, Visual Studio Code gives you like all these different answers. I'm just going to use var for variable, and then I'm just going to name it message. Alright, so now the variable message, the value of it, which is that one equal sign, is equal to a string. Essentially, a string is just like a message or something. A string can be pretty much anything. I'm just going to say hello world. Yep, that's right. Hello world. And we're going to do console, which is essentially the terminal. We're going to get to that later. And then console.log. So we're going to log something in the console. And it's going to be the message. So we're going to log the variable message. So quick recap, we created the new variable message, which contained a string, and that string, the value of it is hello world. And then next, when we run this, it's going to log in the console, which is the terminal, and it's going to log the message variable, which would log hello world. So we're going to come up here, click terminal, new terminal. And what we do, so now first of all, we have to either come up here to file and then we can click save, or we can click Control S and it will save it. Now we come down here to the terminal, we click, and then we type node, and then we're going to type node and then our the name of our thing. So test.js. And it will run it, and it says hello world. So yeah, that's essentially how to write the basic code. So yeah, quickly, just the console is the terminal. in case you were confused and I didn't explain it a ton of times. We can just delete that welcome thing. But okay, so and now we can also combine two strings. So let's create another variable, and this is called message2. And then the value of that is going to be, so now first of all, we're going to take away this, and this is going to be called hello. And now this one is going to be called world. Sorry. So now we're going to console.log message plus message2. So essentially this is going to combine both of them. Now I'm just going to put a spaces and then node test.js, and it says hello world. Okay, so now in these strings you can also put numbers. So I'm going to put hello world, and then I don't know, just a random string of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna head up here. Everything's good. Okay, and then we're gonna do, oh yeah, no, never mind. We have to do message. Okay, no, never mind, we're fine. Okay, then we're gonna click node test.js. Hello world 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, so so strings can be literally anything that you want to put. Like if you want to put literal spam, yeah, just like random spam, it will work. Save node test.js. And yeah, as you can see, it just throws out some random spam. But yeah, so that is essentially how to code. Oh great, what is that? Okay, var, okay, oh great. Hello world, boom. So yeah guys, that is how to code your first Discord, no, I'm so used to saying discord.js and py. No, your first JavaScript program. Oh yeah, I forgot to save. Control S, and then here we go. Node test.js. So JS. There we go. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon to never miss an upload. And of course, join my Discord. It's the third link in the description. See you in the next one.